Good morning, students of class 10. In the previous class, I taught about the pH of the solution, that is pH of acid and base solution and different indicator and their color change. Now in this class, I will teach you about the preparation and important uses of different salt, that is in your syllabus. First, common salt. Common salt, what is the formula of common salt? Sodium chloride, common salt. How will you prepare common salt? Normally common salt on the large scale, it is obtained by the evaporation of seawater. You know that seawater contain mainly common salt. Common salt, it is actually sodium chloride together with magnesium chloride and calcium chloride. So large amount of common salt is obtained by the evaporation of seawater. What is the main uses of common salt? Common salt is used for cooking purpose, for preservative purpose. In the laboratory, it is mainly used for the preparation of chlorine gas and sodium hydroxide pellet. If you take 35% aqueous solution of common salt, 35% aqueous solution of common salt, it first dissociate to form Na plus and Cl minus. Aqueous solution means water also dissociate to form H plus and OH minus. Now among the two cations, sodium ion and hydrogen ion, H plus ion migrate at cathode. So what will be reaction at cathode? H plus accept one electron to form hydrogen atom and two hydrogen atom combine to form hydrogen molecule. So product at cathode is hydrogen molecule. What is the product at anode? At anode, between chloride ion and OH minus ion, due to higher concentration of chloride ion, it migrates towards the anode, lose one electron to form chlorine atom and two chlorine atom combine to form chlorine gas. That is, during electrolysis of brine solution, 35% NaCl solution is known as brine solution. We get hydrogen at the cathode, chlorine gas at the anode, and what is the solution left? Solution left is Na plus OH minus, that is sodium hydroxide. So after completion of electrolysis, if the solution is concentrated and cool, then we get crystal of sodium hydroxide. This known process is known as alkali chlor process. Why? Because at this process we get both sodium hydroxide and as also as chlorine gas. This is very important process for the preparation of sodium hydroxide from common salt. Another use of common salt is to prepare baking soda. Baking soda. What is the formula of baking soda? NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. Now baking soda is prepared by the process which is known as Solvay process. The preparation of baking powder is prepared by Solvay process. What is the Solvay process? In Solvay process, we take a solution of ammonia, and that is ammonium hydroxide saturated with carbon dioxide. We take ammonium hydroxide solution NH3 plus water, it is saturated with carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide is passed through ammonia solution, it forms ammonium bicarbonate. Ammonium bicarbonate. Through this ammonium bicarbonate solution, we add sodium chloride solution. Then we get sodium bicarbonate plus ammonium chloride. This sodium bicarbonate being less soluble in water, it precipitates out. This is known as baking soda. So this process is known as Solvay process. In the Solvay process, we first pass CO2 gas through ammonia solution to form ammonium bicarbonate. This ammonium bicarbonate, when treated with sodium chloride solution, then less soluble sodium bicarbonate is formed, which is precipitated out and ammonium chloride remain in solution. Then the solution is filtrated and the residue is obtained is called sodium bicarbonate. This sodium bicarbonate is used for the preparation of washing soda. What is the formula of washing soda? Na2CO3.10H2O. It is also used in the preparation of baking powder. What is baking powder? Baking powder is a mixture of sodium bicarbonate and tartaric acid. Normally sodium potassium tartarate, we take the salt sodium potassium tartarate. This baking soda or baking powder is used in the bakery and in the preparation of bread. When baking soda or baking powder is heated, it evolves carbon dioxide gas. This carbon dioxide gas when evolved, this makes the cake and bread spongy and soapy. So this is the main use of preparation of baking powder. Another use is preparation of washing soda from sodium carbonate solution. Sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3. This when heated at high temperature, it gives sodium carbonate plus CO2 plus water. This sodium carbonate when dissolved in water and concentrate and cool, then the crystal of washing soda Na2CO3.10H2O crystal of washing soda is obtained. So from the sodium chloride we get baking soda, then we get baking powder and also we get washing soda. Another important salt is bleaching powder. Bleaching powder. What is the formula of bleaching powder? Bleaching powder. The formula of bleaching powder is CaOClCl, calcium chlorohypochloride, or you can write in this way CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride. This is the formula of bleaching powder. How will you prepare bleaching powder? On the large scale, bleaching powder is prepared by heating quicklime, that is calcium hydroxide with chlorine. Calcium hydroxide CaO is whole 2 when heated with chlorine at 40 degrees centigrade it forms CaOCl2 plus water. This is the bleaching powder. So in the large industry, on large scale, bleaching powder is prepared by heating calcium hydroxide, dry calcium hydroxide. This must be dry and this also must be dry. Calcium hydroxide with chlorine at 40 degree centigrade. Bleaching powder normally used to sterilize water. It is used to sterilize water and it is also used in the preparation of some other important compound like chloroform or carbon tetrachloride. The last compound that is in your syllabus is the plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris, what is the formula of plaster of Paris? The formula is CaSO4.12H2O. This is known as calcium sulfate hemihydrated. Calcium sulfate hemihydrated. The plaster of Paris is prepared by heating gypsum. Gypsum CaSO4.2H2O. It is an ore of calcium. When gypsum is heated at a calculated temperature, mainly 110 to 120 degrees centigrade, then it forms CaSO4.12H2O plus 3/2H2O. This is known as plaster of Paris. It is mainly used to prepare the statue or model and in the plaster of the broken bone. These are the uses of plaster of Paris. When plaster of Paris says CaSO4.12H2O, this when reacts with water, when mixed with water, it again converted to gypsum, CaSO4.2H2O, gypsum, so makes the substance very hard For this reason, it is used in the preparation of statue or model or in the plaster of the broken bone. So these are some uses of important salt. First, so washing soda, then baking soda, then bleaching powder, plaster of Paris and sodium chloride. You must remember their preparation and uses of 2 or 3 uses. So this is in your chapter acid, base and salt.